Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering off the watch and removing any straps so you can handle it safely. Use a precision screwdriver and a plastic pry tool to open the back. Apply steady pressure, not force. Once the case is off, inspect battery contacts, screws, and flex cables for corrosion or debris. This tells you where to focus. Make sure to work on a clean, static-free surface. Keep screws organized in order. This first step prevents damage and narrows down whether you need a battery, connector, or display fix. You next address the internal components methodically. If the battery voltage is low, replace it. Measure with a multimeter to confirm. When reseating connectors, press evenly and avoid sharp bends in flex cables because stress causes future failure. If the display is dim, inspect the backlight connector and clean contacts with 90% isopropyl alcohol and a soft brush. Let parts dry. Once done, reassemble loosely and power on to test functionality before final tightening so you can catch issues early. You finish by reassembling the watch. Align the case and tighten screws evenly to avoid warping the housing. Once closed, boot the device and run a quick factory reset and firmware update if the OS behaves oddly. This often resolves software-level issues after hardware work. Make sure sensors and touchscreen respond. Calibrate if required. If the watch is still unresponsive, try entering bootloader or use external charging to rule out charger port faults. This single troubleshooting trick resolves many stubborn no-power.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.